students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about autocorrelation function. Last class we discussed about WSS process and Markov process and property based problems. Today we are going to discuss about autocorrelation. Look at the problem. So find autocorrelation function for the function x of t is equal to a sin omega t plus theta, where a and omega are constant, theta is a variable. So it is uniformly distributed over 0, 2 pi. So look at your process. This is given random process x of t equal to a sin omega t plus theta. So these omega and a are constant. So theta is variable. So it is uniformly distributed over 0, 2 pi. Look at the solution given. So what is given? So x of t is equal to a sin omega t plus theta. This is given random process. So theta is uniformly distributed over 0, 2 pi. Therefore, my f of theta, so corresponding median function is, so what is the formula for uniform distribution? So 1 minus d minus a. D is nothing but your upper limit, a means lower limit. So here my upper limit is 2 pi, lower limit is 0. Where theta is varies from 0 to 2 pi. So f of theta, this is given PDF 1 by 2 pi, 0 less than theta less than 2 pi. Next I am going to write the formula for autocorrelation function. So it is denoted by Rx of tau. So this is the formal notation of autocorrelation function. So it is given by the formula E of x of t into x of t plus tau. So this is the formula for autocorrelation function. So E of x of t into x of t plus tau. X of t is nothing but given raw. Now I am going to calculate x of t plus tau. So x of t plus tau answer is replace d by t plus tau. Therefore a sin omega. So d is replaced by t plus tau. T plus tau plus theta. So therefore a sin. So multiply omega inside, omega t plus omega tau plus theta. So this is my x of t plus tau. Next I am going to calculate x of tau. So it is given by minus into plus infinity x of t into x of t plus tau into f of theta into d theta. So this is the formula for autocorrelation function. Now I am going to replace x of t plus tau and f of theta. So here the limit varies from 0 to 2 pi. So x of t is your given question, that is a sin omega t plus theta. So what is x of t plus tau? It is given by a into sin of omega t plus omega tau plus theta. So what is f of theta value? It is 1 by 2 pi. So this is the PDF answer into d theta. So look at the terms here, a and 2 pi are constant. So take outside. So a into a square 2 pi. So this is constant term 2 pi sin of omega t plus theta into sin of omega t plus omega tau plus theta. Next I am going to use trigonometric formula. So this is in terms of sin A, sin B. So what is the formula for sin A into sin B? So by trigonometric sin A, sin B, the formula for sin A, sin B is given 1 by 2 cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So A and B are added. So here sin of omega t plus theta into sin of omega t plus omega tau plus theta. Now I am going to replace A by this one and B by this one. So 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b. So a angle is omega t plus theta, b answer is omega t plus omega tau plus theta. First a minus b, therefore omega t minus omega t get cancelled, theta minus theta get cancelled, remaining answer minus omega tau. So this is a minus b minus cos of, so what is a plus b? 2 omega t plus omega tau plus 2 theta. Therefore, so already we have a square by 2 pi, so a square by 4 pi, this 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 to 2 pi. So cos is an even function, cos of minus theta is equal to cos of plus theta. So cos of omega tau So this is minus cos of 2 omega t plus omega 2 plus 2 theta into d theta. Look at the answer. So this is independent of theta. So take outside. So this is nothing but integral of cos answer is sine. So this term can cancel. This answer is 0. Therefore, a square by 4 pi cos omega tau into 0 to 2 pi into d theta. So what is d integral? Theta. So it is replaced by a square by 4 pi cos omega tau into 2 pi. Therefore, if I get cancelled, therefore my autocorrelation function value is a square by 2 cos omega tau. Thank you, students.